Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore rental inspection scheduling with DoorLoop. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore rental inspection scheduling with DoorLoop, begin by logging into your DoorLoop account. Navigate to the main dashboard of your account. Look for the settings icon located in the sidebar menu. Click on Settings to open the configuration options. Once in Settings, find the Inspections tab. Select the Inspections tab to access your inspection scheduling options. Next, locate the Restore Schedule option within the inspection settings. Click on Restore Schedule to retrieve any previously saved inspection schedules. A prompt will appear, asking for confirmation to restore the schedule. Confirm your selection by clicking Yes to proceed with the restoration. Wait for the system to process your request. Once completed, you'll see a notification confirming that your inspection schedule has been restored. To view the updated schedule, navigate back to the main dashboard. Click on the Inspections tab again to see all scheduled appointments. Review your inspection dates and times to ensure everything is accurate. If necessary, make any additional adjustments to your inspection schedule. Your rental inspection scheduling is now fully restored and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.